You can increase your sales and bookings by 300% with Wix Chat. Go to Wix.com. Add live chat to your professional website in a click. Customize your chat box with your logo and brand colors. Create an automated greeting that welcomes your visitors right away. And set up a lead capture form so you can gather new contacts even when you're offline. You'll get notified every time a customer starts a conversation, so you can answer their questions and encourage sales by sending a coupon wherever you are. Every chat will be saved in your Wix inbox, where you can manage all your conversations in one place. With Wix Chat, you can turn your contacts into loyal customers. Go to Wix.com and create your professional website today.